What if damages exceed my policy limits? Have you ever wondered what happens if the damages from a car accident go beyond what your insurance policy covers? This is an important question to consider, especially when dealing with auto insurance collision coverage. Let's break it down. When you file a claim after an accident, your insurance policy has a maximum amount it will pay. This is known as the policy limit. For instance, if your collision coverage has a limit of $30,000 and the repairs to your vehicle cost $40,000, your insurance will only pay up to $30,000. This means you would be responsible for the additional $10,000. If you are the driver at fault in the accident and the damages exceed your policy limits, the other driver might seek more money from you directly. This could lead to a lawsuit where they try to recover the difference between what your insurance paid and the total damages. On the other hand, if you are the victim of the accident and the at-fault driver's insurance is insufficient, you have a few options. If you have underinsured motorist coverage, you can use that to help cover the remaining costs. This type of coverage is specifically designed for situations where the other driver's insurance does not fully cover your damages. You might also consider filing a claim with your own collision coverage. However, keep in mind that this usually requires you to pay your deductible first, and it may impact your insurance rates. Another route is to file a lawsuit against the at-fault driver. However, this can be tricky if the driver does not have enough personal assets to pay for your losses. In certain situations, there may be other sources of compensation. For example, if a commercial vehicle was involved, the company's insurance might provide additional coverage. If another party shares some responsibility for the accident, you could file a claim against their insurance as well. When it comes to collision claims, the concept of betterment can complicate matters. Betterment refers to when your car is repaired with new parts that improve its value beyond what it was before the accident. Insurance companies may reduce your payout based on how much they believe the value of your car has increased. However, this does not change your policy limits. To protect yourself from being underinsured, it is wise to review your policy limits regularly. Consider increasing them if you feel they are too low. Also, check if you have underinsured motorist coverage and understand how it works. If you ever find yourself in a situation where damages exceed your policy limits, it is best to consult with your insurance agent or a legal professional. They can help you understand your options and guide you through the process. Knowing your policy limits and available coverages can help you make informed decisions and reduce the risk of unexpected costs after an accident.